Hyundai Motor Company has recently unveiled the design of the new Sonata, which is set to launch globally on March 30, 2024. The 8th-generation midsize sedan is a dynamic, progressive new model with low-slung, elegant proportions, more aggressive styling, and future-oriented technology. The new Sonata presents a fresh take on the four-door coupe that captures the essence of Hyundai Motor's sensuous sportiness design philosophy. The exterior design of the new Sonata embodies the sportiness with a long hood and wide front-end layout that integrates a seamless horizon lamp for a more aggressive image. The low-slung exterior exemplifies progressive automotive design and emphasizes the contrast between sharp, linear elements and clean, supple surfaces. The black garnish along the bottom of the body rises towards the rear, giving Sonata a strong character. At the rear, the new H-lights further emphasize Sonata's high-tech image and wide stance. The new Sonata's interior boasts a driver-centric layout that matches its sportier exterior image while implementing a future mobility sensibility with delicate high-tech details in support of modern lifestyles. For the first time in a Hyundai model, Sonata has a panoramic curved display that combines both 12.3-inch driver information clusters and 12.3-inch AVN infotainment system in a modern and simple dashboard layout that emphasizes the horizontal lines and expanded sense of space. The new Sonata's aero-friendly exterior design improves fuel efficiency and stability during high-speed driving compared with other midsize sedans. The redesigned sport sedan will be available in standard and N-line variants, with the latter featuring a rear spoiler and dual twin-tip mufflers along with exclusive 19-inch wheels. In conclusion, the new Sonata is a dynamic, progressive new model that embodies the sportiness with its low-slung, elegant proportions, more aggressive styling, and future-oriented technology. The driver-centric interior layout and panoramic curved display add to the futuristic vibe of the car, while the aero-friendly exterior design improves fuel efficiency and stability during high-speed driving. The new Sonata is set to launch globally on March 30, 2024, and is sure to turn heads with its sporty and futuristic design.